Hello everyone. Today we will talk about newly launched Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat. Enjoy numerous features with free Microsoft 365 Copilot app. It is a game changer for those who do not want to spend 30 USD per month per user but still need to access various useful features. Copilot Chat include secure AI chat grounded in web and powered by GPT-4o. It also features Copilot pages, file upload, and image generation. It offers enterprise data protection, which is secure for business use. It also gives you functionality to create agents or chatbots. Now we'll talk about how to use this Copilot chat. You can access it from left side from Copilot app. In case it is not visible over here, click on apps and click on Copilot. You can also access it from Teams and Outlook. Now let's see how it works. This user only have Microsoft 365 account. This user do not have Microsoft 365 Copilot license. So interface look like this. As this is commercial user, you will get enterprise data protection. You can see various prompts over here known as starter prompts. Let's try one of them, or you can also write your own prompt. As this is web grounded, it produces the output and also gives citations for reference purpose. On top of this, you can also cross question the output. Let's start new chat. Not only text, you can also generate images. For example, you can further modify the image. Please notice 2 of 30 responses. As this is free, so functionality is limited in the free version. Let's try to upload some files. I have uploaded this file, so let me analyze this Excel file from Copilot Chat. So based on our file, Copilot Chat created a chart which we can further analyze. Can you show me another chart? Please also notice the option of code over here. So you can see Python code for this. Let's try a PDF file now. Tell a short summary of experience. You can further cross question if you like. Please also notice this option view prompts. It opens Copilot prompt gallery, also known as Copilot lab, where we have various predefined prompts which can help us to start with. Apart from this, whatever prompt that we write, we can also save this for future use. All the saved prompt you can see in future under your prompts. So you can see that lot of good functionality available in the free Copilot chat. One more thing I want to show over here, option here, edit in pages. So it open the output in loop component. The purpose of pages is to collaborate with other team members. If you want to know more about Copilot pages, please refer this video. Please note that a SharePoint license is required to use Copilot pages. Now question comes, if we can do so many things with free Copilot, so what extra we'll get if we buy Microsoft 365 Copilot for 30 USD per user per month? Please notice carefully, in this demonstration I have used this login, which is just a Microsoft 365 login without Copilot. So let me jump to another login. This user have Microsoft 365 account and also have Microsoft 365 Copilot license, for which we are paying 30 USD per user per month. In that case, you will see the two options, web and work. So web is the same as that we shown in previous steps. In case of work, Copilot will get access to your Microsoft graph data. Means all your emails, team meetings, documents and other stuff is part of Microsoft graph. So Microsoft 365 Copilot can also generate output based on your Microsoft graph. If you want to know more about this work option, please refer this video. Now let's do deeper comparison. You can see that for Microsoft 365 Copilot you have to pay 30 USD per user per month. But for newly launched Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat is totally free and you have to pay for few things if you are working with agents. So you can see this diagram carefully for deeper comparative analysis. So what you will get extra if you pay 30 USD per user per month. So you can do Copilot Chat based on your graph data. It's only in paid Copilot, not in the free one. Also, if you want to use Copilot within your applications like Teams, Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, you have to use paid version. Also with paid version, you get better Copilot control system for security. When it comes to file upload, code, image generation, capacity is limited in the free version. I hope you found this video very useful. In case you have any questions, please let me know in comments. Thank you.